Hey guys, this is my Willy Wonka candy project. And I'm not telling y'all what it is, but it's gonna be amazing. Okay, the first thing you do to make the thing, you put the milk in here. And then you crack the egg. Put that in. And then you put this vanilla in. Okay, this is 2 cups of flour. And our next recipe thingy, we're pouring this into 2 cups of flour. Next thing, you stir it. Now you want to add salt, vinegar, and brown sugar to the flour. Baking powder to the flour. And then you want to take this melted butter, half of a stick of melted butter, and pour it in with it. And then you want to stir it. It's very hard. Nice and doughy. And then you want to pour in the magic sprinkles. Straight from Willy Wonka's factory, sponsoring this video. Pour this vegetable oil 2 inches into here. It's gonna take a while. Put this dough, this dough, in this bag, in a bag like this. And this is what it looks like while it's cooking. Pretty good, right? I bet y'all still don't know what it is. Maybe y'all do. Now, this is what it looks like whenever it's cooking. Again, it's been like 1 minute or something, and it's already like that because we whipped them. And they're about to be ready. Probably know what they are now. Let's see if y'all do. And now we're taking them out. Oh. Look at those. Is it an M for or is it a W for Willy Wonka? Dun, dun, dun. Now the final touch. Powdered sugar. They are good.
Crunchy.
No. No.